Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 2391 Sunset Beach Drive in Aurora on beautiful Cayuga Lake.
This is a spectacular property right on the water with 50 feet of lakefront with a permanent dock and boat slip.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This is what the lake lifestyle is all about. With an elevated viewing deck, perfect for sunsets over the lake, an expansive permanent dock with a covered sitting area, boat slip, and sunbathing area, all with breathtaking views. Enjoy open waterfront living with breathtaking views everywhere you look. Featuring a stunning great room with a granite kitchen with gorgeous cabinetry and stainless steel appliances. Open to the spacious dining area, perfect for entertaining, and living area with a wall of windows with panoramic lake views and access to the deck.
Enjoy the ease and convenience of one-floor living with a first-floor primary bedroom with a double closet and scenic lake views, all with an adjacent full bathroom. Let friends and family enjoy the lake with 2 additional spacious bedrooms upstairs with lake views and a bathroom.
Enjoy this lake home retreat tucked away on a private drive with great parking and room for expandability in the walkout lower level.
This rare waterfront property has million-dollar views, or should I say billion-dollar views, to the north, west, and south. The views are just spectacular. Sunset Beach Drive is a great waterfront community of fine lake homes located on the east side of Cayuga Lake with the afternoon sun and spectacular sunsets.
The village of Aurora is a must-see destination located in the heart of the Finger Lakes region, with charming vintage and antique shops, great restaurants, quaint bed and breakfasts, a charming waterfront park, and the prestigious Inns of Aurora Resort and Spa. Plus nearby, the world-renowned Mackenzie Child Showroom.
For anyone who appreciates history and being by the lake, this is the perfect place for you.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 2391 Sunset Beach Drive on gorgeous Cayuga Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!